Hi, I'm Nistha and welcome to my channel NGVD Studio. Hi, I'm Nistha and this is my first video. Uh, in this video, I just want to talk about the stress I am having. Like, I want support. I'm sorry, but yeah, like it's my first video, so recently, like yesterday, I was at my parents' place, scrolling through some reels, and I just saw reels about studios, like big studios replacing artists and firing them, and hiring AI, like replacing real artists with generative AI, and it like stressed me out. It it's sad, like it's scary and it's sad as an artist, and I I am like currently working on a project. Like it's really important to me, the 2D animated short film, and I'll share about that. and and so I didn't have my laptop or anything with me. They live in different cities, so I was not here. So I after like seeing videos, lots of videos like about big studios replacing a real artists and firing them for AI, and I like chose animation. I wanted to work with this like big studios, and I had a dream to work with like in these studios, and now it like it just feels like what is happening. I don't really know. It's like I was scrolling and I saw reels about studios firing artists and artists sharing their experience online about their struggles, and it kind of demotivated me. Like I was feeling really hopeless about myself and my career, and I really started doubting myself and my art. And I felt like by the time I'll be able to finish my short film, people will start enjoying the AI slops, and there will be lots of independent studios who will try to make their own short film, and the competition will be like high. And because these big studios are just replacing real artists with AI, and choosing AI over artists, and all the artists are gonna either go for the jobs that are available, and obviously they will get that job because they have like years of experience, and experience in the industry, and how and like their work, and or the competition will get so hard that I am afraid like the competition will get so hard, because they will try to make their own short film, and obviously they are like amazing artists. There are so many amazing artists. Like I don't want to compare myself, but I do compare myself with them. Like I learned so many things from like watching other artists, and I learned so many things online. So I follow so many artists, and they obviously, if they are going to try to make something, it's going to look amazing. And I'm just scared that my art will disappear in this like competition, or So I'm afraid that I will disappear in this competition. Like we all see so many short films and like new animated series coming out like in on YouTube too. It's like it's only possible for me to be successful is if I have like lots of money or have an audience who care about my art or who are interested in seeing my art or my work. Because all of these artists are amazing. Maybe I am being too hard on myself, or I don't know why. Maybe I'm wrong, but after being a struggling artist for like years and after being like struggling artist for years, I just want people to know that my art exists, that my animations and short films that are coming out exist, and I want to. I don't. I just want. I'm just afraid that people will not see my art, or I just want to show my work, and I'm afraid that competition will get so hard. Like, it's my first video, and I'm. To be honest, I'm scared. Like, I was like, even when I'm talking, I'm doubting myself. Like, I'm confused and I am doubtful, and I'm like, I don't want to call myself hopeless. I'm not being feeling hopeless because I talked about all of this thing about with other artists, and they said that all this stuff happening just makes me want to create even more art, and I think I'm gonna do that too. I don't want to lose hope and give up on the stuff I've been working on. And like there are lots of scenes that I have done that I'm so proud of my work. Like I'm really proud of my work, and I really want to show what I have created to everyone. But the thing is that it is going to take one more month because I have to color it and then create sound and editing and stuff. It will take time, and I'm just afraid that by that time people will change. Like I don't know, anything can happen. I'm just afraid. I just want people to see my work, and like that's why I decided to create this video. So yeah, and I just like before like starting recording this video, I saw an AI video. A girl created a like AI video, and I curiously went to through the comment section, and so many people they don't even realize that it's AI. They think it's like a real animation, and they are like saying, "Oh, you are so talented. Your art is so talented." And then some people are just saying, "Oh, nice editing," and I'm like, "It's not editing. It's just AI. She didn't edit anything." And it's just prompt, and hundreds of people are asking for like prompt, and they will create the same video. Yes, you know, trends. And yeah, so I saw like one, like very few comments, and like people were hating on them. Like the one guy commented that something like support real artist, or this is AI, this is not real art, uh, and stuff like this. And people were hating on him. Like they were saying, explain yourself, why do you think like AI is not art? And I don't know, it just makes me sad and makes me scared when I see like people. It's just disappointing, to be honest. It's disappointing. Like they were so creative, witty before AI. Like before AI, there was so creativity. Now it's like AI slopes everywhere, and people are like enjoying watching it, and studios are now choosing AI. Like it's like I don't know what will happen with my art either. It's like I am creating this short film, hoping that people people will like it. You guys will like it, and see where I go from there. But yeah, um, I don't know. It's just scary because I gave years to my art. I wasn't born an artist. It's a skill I practiced for like years. If you are curious, you can like check out my Instagram and like scroll to like the bottom and then see the work and then scroll back and see the recent work. You will see the difference in my work and like how much I have changed and how much time I have given to my art. It's like there, and I just want to show more of my work, and I'm just afraid that this AI stuff and like competition and all the stress, it will not get to me. I am here for hope and support, and I really wish you will give me hope and support. So yeah, I don't know. I might be being emotional, but yeah. So I won't let the lazy people who call generative AI art come in my way of creating my short film, my masterpiece, or anything. Oops. So, if you are also feeling this way, I know I am not like a best in person to like in like talking, as you have seen. I like just I'm just saying whatever comes in my mind. But yeah, if you are feeling the same way, I know I actually cried. I felt so hopeless and so stressed at that moment. I really felt like giving up and like choosing something else or like regretting choosing becoming an artist. I felt like I'll be poor and like begging on street and still creating art. I really don't know what I am going to do other than this. Like this is the only thing I ever like gave my time to or like think about or like I gave years to my craft, as you can see. Or so it just scares me. I'm just gonna say never stop creating and your art is important. It's important to me because it it really motivates me to see other artists creating and like believing in themselves. It makes me believe in myself and believe that there are people who love, appreciate and value art, like real human art, and people who love art. And I want to show my work and share my creative journey. So please follow me and subscribe. So please subscribe and like this video. I know this was not a perfect video. I will try to be better, I think. So wait. What do you think about her? Look at her hair. Look at her hair. Look at her hair. Do you think it's not clear? Yeah. Do you think her hair looks like mine? Do I look like as gorgeous as her? Sorry. Isn't she gorgeous? Right? It must be the artist who created her, must be so cool, so amazing. Oh, wait, that's me who created her. Sorry about that. So, this is my book, my first comic. It's called Calm Down. As you can see, it's volume one, and yeah, it's my first comic book, and I first uploaded it as a web comic in Webtoon. Actually, I had like 500 readers at that time. Actually, this comic is a story about a girl. It's a suspense filled story. Um it has a blend of horror, slice of life, and it also have action. It's like really interesting book. If you wanna check out, it's available for free to read on my website njvdstudios.com, and uh, I'll share the link below. And the two volumes are free. It's in ebook format. I'll be re-uploading it in webcomic format and in better quality because right now it's in like ebook format. And I'll create a separate video about this book because I have lots of things to say about it, and I want to share my work process, and I was in college when I first started creating it. Um, and so if you wanna check out my book, you can go to my website NJVD Studio, and if you wanna check out some of my art, you can go to my Instagram. I have posted some of my art there. I have also posted some of my art in my. You can see some of my art on my website too, and I'll share a time lapse of animation and an illustration I did. And thank you for watching, and I really hope that you will like and support me. And yeah, you can comment down if you have any questions about like comic or animation. Or I'll be creating more videos in future, and stay tuned and enjoy the time lapse.